Hello everyone, welcome to Creatively Organized. I'm Srujna. In today's after school snack recipe, I'm going to share with you a spicy version of Bambino Vermicelli. Now here I've used a little bit of spice because I'm giving it to a kid, but the spice intensity can be increased up to your taste. Let me show you the ingredients. This is a Bambino roasted vermicelli. I would recommend you to take the roasted one. For 1 glass of roasted Bambino vermicelli, we'll be needing 1 glass of water, about half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste, a few cashew nuts. I've taken medium-sized chopped onion here. And then we'll also be needing around half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to pour some oil. I'm putting just 1 teaspoon of oil for now. We're going to roast the 1 glass of Bambino. We've already taken the roasted variety, but we're going to roast it again so that it does not come out sticky or lumpy in the end. It has to turn slightly brown. Now the Bambino has slightly turned brown. We're going to switch off the flame and take it out in another plate. We've transferred the Bambino into another plate here. I'm going to put another 2 teaspoons of oil here. I'm going to put some cashew nuts to fry. Now the cashews have become brown. We're going to add some chopped onions. Fry it a little bit. Now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Let it cook until the raw smells goes away. To this, I'm adding a little bit of turmeric, around half teaspoon. Then I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. And salt to taste. Give it a good mix. And let's bring it to boil. Started to boil. Lower the flame, and we're going to slowly add this roasted Bambino into the water. We're going to mix it well. We're going to leave it to cook, which should be around 5 to 7 minutes. So today's after school snack is a spicy Bambino. Here are a few raisins. This is a mixture of melon seeds, sunflower seeds and pistachios. Please check out the description box for the benefits of these. Fruit, apple and anjeer or dry figs, and for today's milk I'm opting for badam milk or almond milk because he's having a spicy snack today. Since the badam milk or almond milk will be sweet by taste, it will compensate for the heat. Then a glass of water for him. So friends, this is today's evening snack. Please let me know how you all like it in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you.